Hi, my name is Violet, and I'm going to take you on my adventure. I went on a 4-day whitewater rafting trip on the Snake River through Hells Canyon. Did you know that Hells Canyon is the deepest gorge in North America? Yeah, you can't even see the tops of the mountains. Hells Canyon Raft is the company to go with. Just do it. They're the best. They really know their stuff. When I packed for this adventure, I had piles big as me, but trust me, you really don't need much. A couple pairs of shorts, your river shoes, and your toothbrush. Although I forgot to brush a couple times. When I woke up the first morning, I totally forgot where I was until I looked outside my tent. I couldn't wait to start the day. The guides made the best food. I had an awesome breakfast. Thank goodness, because I had a big day ahead. The guides made all the yummy food, even did the dishes. They set up camp and packed it up every day. They did all the work. Me? I played cards with my sister. P.S. I won every time, but she thinks I cheated. Let's get on the river. The rapids were awesome. Oh my goodness, so much fun. I even tried kayaking. The guides said short, small strokes will keep you straight. Man, I sang at the top of my lungs out there. It was the best. Have you ever caught a fish? I have. Not just one, a ton. That was so fun, although a little slimy. They always helped me take the fish off the hook. I must have caught 100. Oh wait, I caught a sturgeon. Did you know they grow 1 inch a year? They look like a dinosaur. Super cool. We stopped at a super cool Nez Perce Indian sites. They left beautiful stories on the rocks by staining cool pictures. They're called pictographs. It is so cool to think about their stories. It almost feels like you are with them. One day we were cruising down the river and boom, blackberries. We pull over to fill our bags. My bag didn't get too full because I ate most of them. The stories in Hells Canyon are very adventurous. So many American Indian stories. And the old cabins, Mom calls them homesteads. These people work so hard. I think it would be awesome to live in Hells Canyon. When we got to our camp after being on the river all day, it was all set up. At camp, I got to fish again, I had a snack, and, well, do what I wanted. I even slept under the stars one night. Wow, I never imagined so many stars. It was unreal. Did I mention the rapids were huge, way over my head? It was rad. I got soaked. I loved it. I wish it was all day. One of the things I will never forget is jumping off of Sturgeon Rock. It was huge. I was super nervous, but I did it. It was easy. I actually did it 3 times. When we got to the last day, I will say I was sad. The friends, the river, it was seriously the best vacation I've ever had. I didn't want it to end. If I could do this every summer, I would be the luckiest kid in the world. Thanks, Mom and Dad. Thanks for taking me on this rafting trip. I will never forget it.